The Adrenaline ZRX-47 isn't your typical boat. It's a high-speed, thrill-packed powerboat built for those who crave adventure on the water. Powered by twin-turbo Mercury racing engines, this sleek machine can reach jaw-dropping speeds of over 150 miles per hour. Every ride feels like a shot of pure adrenaline. Built with lightweight carbon fiber and a smart hydrodynamic hull design, it cuts through the water effortlessly, giving you speed, agility, and smooth performance all in one. But it's not just a speed demon, it's also built for comfort. The ZRX-47 features cozy, premium seating, high-tech controls, and a roomy cockpit that makes fast cruising feel both exciting and luxurious. Whether you're racing across the waves or just enjoying a day out on the open water, the Adrenaline ZRX-47 brings power, style, and serious fun to every journey.
Meet the Velox ISV, a battlefield beast built for speed and survival. Born in the UAE, this rugged machine takes the trusted Toyota Helix chassis and transforms it into a high-mobility vehicle designed for modern infantry. From fast reconnaissance runs to long patrols, the Velox ISV thrives where ordinary vehicles stall. It's tailor-made for off-road dominance, slicing through desert sands, powering over steep terrain, and even wading through water up to 70 centimeters deep. With selectable all-wheel drive, soldiers get full control no matter the mission or conditions. Under the hood, its 148 horsepower engine packs 400 Nm of torque, delivering raw strength to tackle obstacles without hesitation. And thanks to its Helix DNA, maintenance stays straightforward, a huge advantage in the field where reliability can mean the difference between success and failure. The Velox ISV isn't just transport, it's a force multiplier. A machine built to push limits, redefine mobility, and give infantry the edge they need in the toughest environments. Velov Armadillo. Imagine a cargo bike that feels as stable as a van but moves through the city like a bicycle. That's the Velov Armadillo, a futuristic four-wheeled electric cargo quad built for urban logistics. At just 86 centimeters wide, it glides through bike lanes and narrow streets with ease. Don't let its slim design fool you. It can carry up to 200 kilograms of cargo volume, about 2 cubic meters, and handle payloads of 350 kilograms. That's the power of a small delivery van packed into a lightweight, human-powered machine. Its elevated cargo box is cleverly designed to reduce strain during loading, and with a hydraulic lift system, accessing goods is effortless. Weighing only 67 kilograms, the Armadillo uses electric assist pedaling to make every ride smooth, efficient, and city-friendly. Crowned as the International Cargo Bike of the Year 2019, it proves that sustainable transport can be powerful, practical, and game-changing. The Velov Armadillo isn't just a bike, it's the future of clean, efficient city deliveries. Faring Pioneer X. Imagine an off-road beast that can cross deserts, survive the Arctic, and even dive underwater. Meet the Faring Pioneer X, a machine that pushes the limits of adventure. Built by British engineers, this hybrid off-roader is powered by a 60 kWh onboard unit available in both multi-fuel and hydrogen options. That means freedom on the road with a jaw-dropping range of up to 7,000 kilometers. You could practically drive across continents without stopping to refuel. Its design is just as impressive as its power. The Pioneer X uses an ultra-light carbon chassis, making it tough yet nimble in extreme conditions. Add in a fully adjustable independent suspension, advanced spring setup, and an onboard tire inflation system, and you've got a vehicle that adapts to any terrain with ease. But here's the wildest feature, it's built to operate fully submerged underwater. That's not just off-roading, that's redefining what an off-road vehicle can do. The Faring Pioneer X isn't just transport, it's a vision of the future, proving how engineering can expand the boundaries of exploration. Foolish Pleasure, the monster on wheels. Meet Foolish Pleasure, a truck that turns heads before it even roars to life. At first glance, it looks like a clean, white Kenworth W900. But don't be fooled, beneath that calm exterior lives a fire-breathing beast. Powered by a Caterpillar 3406E engine, this machine redefines raw power. In standard mode, it pushes out a strong 700 horsepower. Switch to race mode, and it's chaos. dynos struggle to measure the insane power spike. Tires scream, exhaust stacks spit flames, and the crowd goes absolutely wild. This isn't just for show. The owner takes it into uphill drag races, sometimes hauling a trailer, sometimes not. Across the US, this monster has built a reputation as both a competitor's nightmare and a fan favorite. It's more than a truck, it's a spectacle. A machine so powerful it feels almost reckless, yet impossible to ignore. Foolish pleasure proves one thing. Sometimes, the wildest rides are the ones you'll never forget.
The Audi Ron Foil is a premium electric surfboard that lets you glide effortlessly above the water in pure silence and sleek style. It reaches speeds of up to 55 kilometers per hour and offers up to 2 hours of ride time on a single charge. Made from lightweight carbon fiber, it's built for speed and easy handling, making it perfect for thrill seekers and water sports enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to catch waves or cruise the open water, the Audi Ron Foil delivers an exciting, smooth experience, all while offering cutting-edge technology and performance in a stunning design.
Imagine a machine so tough it can pull a tank, lift massive loads, and still race across rough terrain like it's nothing. That's the FFG Weisent 2, Germany's hidden powerhouse. Built on the legendary Leopard 2 tank chassis, this beast isn't just about brute force. It's a dual-role engineering and recovery vehicle, designed to handle the toughest missions. With a winch that drags up to 40 tons and a crane that hoists 32 tons, it's practically unstoppable when it comes to heavy lifting. But here's where it gets wild. The Weisent 2 can completely submerge underwater, crossing rivers and obstacles most machines wouldn't dare attempt. On steep slopes where others would tip, it stays rock solid. And despite carrying a full load of heavy gear, its mobility matches the Leopard 2 tank itself. Reaching speeds of 68 km per hour, it doesn't just survive in extreme conditions, it dominates them. The Weisent 2 isn't just a vehicle, it's a glimpse into the future of military engineering. Imagine a military vehicle that doesn't just drive, it conquers every obstacle in its path. Meet the Rheinmetall Caracal, a rugged beast born from the legendary Mercedes-Benz G-Class platform. This airborne-ready vehicle is built to dominate extreme conditions. It climbs over obstacles as high as 33 centimeters, crosses trenches half a meter wide, and even powers through water up to 75 centimeters deep. Whether it's rough terrain, mud, or flooded roads, the Caracal keeps moving without hesitation. But this machine isn't just about brute force. Its versatility makes it a game-changer. It can transport troops into dangerous zones, carry vital medical supplies, or handle logistics in places where ordinary vehicles simply fail. That adaptability means it's not just another military truck, it's a lifeline in critical missions. The proof? Even the Netherlands recognized its potential and placed a major order, showing how quickly it's winning trust across Europe. The Caracal isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of how modern engineering is reshaping mobility on the battlefield. One thing's clear: wherever soldiers need to go, the Caracal will get them there. FFGACSVG-5, the beast that redefines mobility. Imagine a machine built to laugh at snow, swamp, and sand. That's exactly what the FFGACSVG-5 delivers. Born from German engineering, this armored powerhouse combines raw strength with unstoppable mobility. Its 625 horsepower engine and heavy-duty tracks mean deep snow doesn't stand a chance. In fact, it charges through swampy terrain and desert sand with the same ease, even crossing water up to 1.2 meters deep. But here's the real game changer: payload. The ACSVG-5 carries a massive 8 tons, an unmatched figure in its class. That means more equipment, more support, and more flexibility than almost anything else on the battlefield. Test footage from Scandinavia proves it's not just theory. This vehicle dominates where others get stuck. Whether it's extreme cold, shifting sands, or unforgiving wetlands, the G5 makes the impossible routine. In short, this isn't just another armored vehicle. It's a mobile fortress built to conquer nature itself. When strength meets versatility, you get the ACSVG-5. And nothing stands in its way. Imagine a trailer that doesn't just haul cargo, but actually transforms to fit the job. That's exactly what Dutch manufacturer Pacton delivers. Instead of sticking to one design, Pacton creates shape-shifting trailers built for versatility. Take their loader trailer, equipped with a hydraulic front section. It's perfect for carrying heavy concrete panels with precision. Measuring 2.5 meters wide and 9.5 meters long, it offers 6 secure cargo points for safe transport. Need something lower? The Step Deck SXD adapts from 1 to 4 axles with an extendable platform, giving you unmatched flexibility. For heavy-duty work, the TXK tipper uses telescopic cylinders to lift an incredible 47 tons with ease. And when it comes to bulk cargo like biomass pellets, their moving floor trailer unloads smoothly without tipping. But here's the real game changer. Every trailer can be customized. From lift axles to hydraulic tweaks to container locks, Pacton builds exactly what you need. In short, if you can dream it, Pacton can trailer it. Trick Explorer F426E. Get ready to meet the beast built for adventure. The Trick Explorer F426E, a four-wheeled electric quad designed to conquer the wild. This isn't your average ride. Powered by a dual 500 West mid-drive system, it lets you switch between two-wheel drive for efficiency or full four-wheel drive for unstoppable traction. Whether it's sand, mud, snow, rocks, or gravel, this machine keeps pushing forward with power and control. Its massive 4.8-inch off-road tires and 326-inch wheels give it the grip and clearance needed to glide over rugged terrain with ease. Add in a 1x11 drivetrain and a low-ratio crankset, and you've got serious torque for steep climbs and loose trails. Stopping is just as impressive, thanks to hydraulic disc brakes that deliver reliable control even in the toughest conditions. And comfort? A reclined 40-degree seat keeps your body relaxed, so fatigue won't stop your journey. Starting at $7,198, the F426E isn't just a quad, it's a premium off-road companion built for thrill seekers who refuse to settle for limits. Adventure starts where the road ends. This quad is proof. Magnum UFO F4. Imagine a futuristic ride that blends freedom, comfort, and power. Meet the Magnum UFO F4. This isn't your ordinary mobility scooter. Powered by a 1,500W rear traction motor, it glides smoothly with selectable speeds of 6, 15, or even 25 km per hour. Safety comes first, thanks to hydraulic disc brakes, shock absorbers, and durable tubeless alloy wheels that keep every ride steady and secure. A 60 volts lithium battery fuels up in just 6 to 8 hours, giving you 40 to 50 kilometers of range, perfect for city commutes or long leisure rides. LED headlights and a built-in rear camera with reverse gear make urban travel both safe and effortless. Step inside, and you'll find true comfort. A swiveling seat, electric windows, central locking, and even an MP3 FM radio with USB support. It carries up to 300 kilograms with ease, proving strength doesn't come at the cost of style. The Magnum UFO F4 isn't just transport, it's independence on wheels, redefining personal mobility for a new era. Speeder. Imagine a motorcycle that doesn't ride on the road but actually flies. That's exactly what Jetpack Aviation has created with the Speeder. It's a flying motorcycle that was first designed for the military, government, and rescue teams. The original goal was to save lives and reach places regular vehicles couldn't. Now, they're making a recreational version for personal use. That means anyone could someday own one for transport or just for fun. The Speeder uses full vertical takeoff and landing technology, so it can lift off from almost anywhere. If you have enough space for a small car, you have enough space to launch it. The best part is how easy it is to fly. It's fully stabilized, so you don't need years of pilot training. In fact, it's lighter than a small 125cc motorcycle and much simpler to control compared to other aircraft. When it comes to performance, the numbers are exciting. The Speeder is expected to reach speeds of up to 240 km per hour. The Paratet Boat Looker 320 is a glass-bottom sightseeing boat designed to give passengers a fun and comfortable experience while exploring the water. This commercial hydrofoil boat is built with passenger needs in mind, making it perfect for tour excursions and sightseeing trips. The Looker 320 is best suited for use by small private islands, hotels, or resorts that want to offer guests an exciting way to see marine life and underwater views without getting wet. The Looker 320 can carry up to 22 passengers comfortably and is powered by a reliable Yamaha F250 or 300 horsepower outboard engine, giving it plenty of power to cruise smoothly. Thanks to its hydrofoil design, it lifts slightly above the water while moving, which helps it glide more easily and reduces drag for a smoother ride. The boat is also customizable to fit the specific needs of different tourism businesses, whether that's extra comfort features or adjustments for special tours. With its glass-bottom design and modern build, the Looker 320 gives passengers a clear and unique view of the underwater world, offering a memorable and upscale sightseeing experience.
The Flightboard E-Foil is an electric surfboard with a hydrofoil that lets you glide effortlessly above the water, reaching speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. With a single charge, you can enjoy up to 40 kilometers of thrilling rides. Crafted from lightweight, durable carbon fiber, it offers both power and agility, making every ride feel smooth and exciting. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, the Flightboard E-Foil promises a unique, fun, and adrenaline-pumping experience on the water. Get ready to soar and explore the waves like never before.
What if a bus could glide through turns, brake hard without dipping, and swallow potholes like they never existed? Features and benefits. Meet the V-Series suspension system by Freightliner Custom Chassis, a game-changer in ride comfort and control. This advanced setup keeps the bus almost perfectly level in sharp turns, prevents that forward lurch when braking, and shrugs off even the nastiest bumps without shaking the steering wheel. No bump steer, no sudden jolts, just smooth, confident driving. Context and real-world impact. For passengers, it means no more constant jostling on long trips. For drivers, it means fewer steering corrections and a calmer, more focused drive. And when it comes to durability, the bushings are built to last an incredible 240,000 kilometers without noticeable wear. That's serious reliability in an industry where downtime costs money. Closing statement. In a world of tight schedules and unpredictable roads, the V-Series suspension doesn't just carry passengers, it carries confidence. One-wheel Pint S. Rephrased script, approximately equals 170 words. Ever imagined gliding through the city on a single wheel that feels like the future? Meet the One-Wheel Pint S, a compact ride that packs serious punch. This sleek board isn't just about looks. With a powerful 750W hypercore motor, it hits speeds up to 20 miles per hour and cruises 12 to 18 miles on a single charge. The factory-installed treaded tire gives you extra grip, whether you're carving city streets or rolling off road trails. Control is smoother than ever thanks to the larger, flared footpads. 15% more surface area means more leverage and stability under your feet. And when it's time to carry it, the upgraded Mag Handle Pro makes it effortless with its durable aluminum build and rubberized grip. At $1,300, the package includes everything you need: the board, charger, and handle, plus free US shipping and a 12-month warranty. The Pint S isn't just transport, it's freedom on a wheel. Where will it take you? Scania NXT, the future of city transport. The Scania NXT is a fully electric truck designed to change the way goods are moved in cities. Its main focus is on sustainability and reducing harmful emissions. Because it's electric, the NXT offers a completely quiet and zero-emission driving experience. This makes it perfect for city deliveries, especially in areas where noise and pollution are big concerns. One of its coolest features is its modular design. This means the truck can be customized for different jobs while still carrying a heavy load. Whether it's for deliveries, waste collection, or other tasks, the NXT can adapt to fit the need. It's powered by a highly efficient electric drivetrain, which helps cut down on fuel and maintenance costs compared to traditional diesel trucks. The NXT also has autonomous driving features. This improves safety and efficiency, making city transportation smoother and smarter. Scania's vision is to have fleets of NXT trucks working together to reduce traffic emissions and create cleaner, greener cities.
Boat lift by Italian engineering. Italy isn't just famous for pizza and architecture, it's also innovating in ship launching tech. One example is a massive boat lift used to launch ships, like a $330 million yacht, safely and efficiently. These machines use amphibious technology and come in different sizes. The smallest model can handle 100,000 pounds, while the biggest lifts over 529,000 pounds. The latest models have a clover design that gives them 59 inches more width, improving stability. Depending on the need, these lifts come with wheels or tracks and can have one or more diesel engines. Some wheeled models can even move sideways, making positioning much easier. This machinery is designed for heavy-duty use in shipyards and marinas and is a symbol of how Italy blends creativity with industrial strength. Rafnar leisure boats, made by an Icelandic company that launched its first model in 2015, have quickly gained attention for their smart design and performance. One of the biggest innovations is their UR hull technology, which helps reduce impact from waves by 95% compared to traditional boats. This means a much smoother and safer ride with less chance of injuries or seasickness. Another impressive feature is that Rafnar boats can flip themselves upright instantly if they capsize. The Rafnar 1100 model showcases all of this. It has 3 powerful engines producing a total of 1,150 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 93 kilometers per hour. With room for 12 people, it's ideal for fishing trips, handling rough waters, or even for search and rescue missions.
Imagine a bike that feels unstoppable, built for power, balance, and adventure. That's exactly what the 630 Any-Terrain Stabilized brings to the table. This 4-wheel electric bike runs on a 750W rear hub motor, fueled by a Samsung battery pack that pushes out nearly 1,000 watt-hours. That means speeds up to 20 miles per hour and a range of 50 miles on a single charge. Its design is all about stability and strength. A solid 120-pound frame supports up to 350 pounds, while 4-inch wide tires, 20-inch in the back and 16-inch in the front, keep you steady on dirt, sand, or city streets. Hydraulic disc brakes on both ends give you confident stopping power, no matter the terrain. Practical features like a 7-speed drivetrain and folding handlebars make it just as versatile as it is bold. The result? A bike that doesn't just ride, it conquers. The 630 Any-Terrain Stabilized transforms off-road cycling into a safe, thrilling experience built for riders who refuse to settle for ordinary. Traxxas Ultimate Raptor R. Buckle up. This isn't just a remote control truck, it's a full-blown beast built for speed and power. The Traxxas Ultimate Raptor R is a 1/10 scale short-course monster that pushes RC performance to the next level. Powered by a brushless Valinian 540XL motor and VXL4's ESC, it rockets past 60 miles per hour on 4S LiPo batteries. Speed you can feel even from the controller. Wrapped in a licensed Ford Raptor R body with sleek clipless styling and bright LED lights, it looks every bit as fierce as it drives. Underneath, a modular chassis teams up with aluminum GTR shocks, titanium nitride-coated shafts, and reinforced suspension arms to handle brutal jumps and rough terrain with ease. Full-time 4WD, a center differential, and Traxxas stability management keep it glued to the ground, while the TQI radio system with app-based telemetry gives you pro-level control at your fingertips. At just 3 kilograms, this $650 ready-to-race truck isn't a toy. It's a statement of speed, style, and engineering. When you unleash the Raptor R, you're not just racing, you're rewriting what's possible in the RC world. Imagine turning your noisy neighbor's life into a real-life mystery. Meet the Annoy A-Tron, a $70 gadget designed for those who've had enough of endless drilling, shouting, or late-night parties. Inside the kit, you get 3 tiny devices that play random sounds, clicks, meows, knocks, even the chilling laugh of a child. They're small enough to hide anywhere, but powerful enough to mess with anyone's peace of mind. Here's where it gets devious. Slip one into a neighbor's space, pop in a fresh battery, and it'll run for an entire month. No pattern, no warning. Just unpredictable noises that slowly drive even the calmest person into confusion. Suddenly, their home doesn't feel safe. It feels haunted. It's not just a prank, it's a psychological thriller in a box. The Annoy A-Tron flips the script, giving noisy neighbors a taste of their own chaos. So, what do you think? Harmless revenge tool or pure nightmare fuel? Either way, one thing's certain, silence will never sound sweeter.
Italian designers, Pierpaolo Lazzarini and Luca Sola, created the Jet Capsule, a stylish and futuristic mini yacht built for fun and fast trips on the water. At 7.3 meters long and 3.5 meters wide, this compact yet spacious vessel comfortably fits 7 passengers inside its panoramic cabin. With its sleek, spaceship-like design and glowing neon lights, it looks especially stunning at night. Inside, you'll enjoy climate control, plush seating, and large windows for breathtaking views. A powerful Yanmar engine pushes the jet capsule to speeds of 56 kilometers per hour, delivering a smooth and thrilling ride. Whether cruising through the city canals or along the coast, this mini yacht blends luxury, speed, and futuristic style for an unforgettable experience on the water.
Meet the beast that laughs at rough terrain, the FNSS Pars Scout 8x8. This armored vehicle from Turkey isn't just built to survive the battlefield, it's designed to dominate it. With its massive 8-wheel drive system, it powers through trenches up to 2 meters wide and climbs obstacles as tall as 70 centimeters without breaking a sweat. Its secret weapon? Perfect balance. Engineers carefully distributed its weight across all axles, giving it incredible stability. That means it glides over loose ground, brakes quickly, and stays firmly in control even at higher speeds. Speaking of speed, this monster can push up to 100 kilometers per hour, impressive for an armored vehicle of its size. And it doesn't stop there. Thanks to its central tire inflation system, the driver can adjust pressure on the go, making sure it adapts to any surface, from sand to mud to rock. The Pars Scout 8x8 isn't just another armored carrier. It's a glimpse into the future of military mobility, where speed, power, and adaptability come together. A machine built to go where limits end. Imagine turning your truck's hitch into a high-tech lighting system. That's exactly what Diode Dynamics has done with their hitch mount LED pod reverse kit, built specifically for the Toyota Tundra. This isn't just a light upgrade, it's a serious safety boost. The kit features a super bright reverse light powered by patented TIR optics, a sleek red running light, and even an optional fourth brake light. One standout feature? A safety strobe that flashes 3 times every time you hit the brakes, making sure drivers behind you can't ignore it. And the best part, it installs in just 5 minutes. No complicated wiring, no custom work. Just plug it into the standard 7-pin trailer connector and you're ready to go. Even when it's not in use, the red accent light gives your truck a bold, modern look. Built in the USA and engineered to meet strict automotive standards, this system doesn't just look sharp, it delivers reliability you can count on. Compatible with 2022 and 2023 Tundra models, this kit proves that smart design can redefine everyday driving. Sometimes, the smallest upgrades make the biggest impact. Meet the beast that rules off-roads. The Team Coralie Punisher 4 isn't just a truck, it's a wild machine built to dominate any terrain. With its raw power and rugged design, this monster is engineered to push limits every time you hit the throttle. At its core, a Curon 725 brushless motor paired with a Toro 135 ESC blasts this 1/10 scale truck past 80 km per hour. Whether on dirt, gravel, or grass, it delivers non-stop adrenaline. The precision steering comes from a high-voltage, 25 kg torque metal gear servo, giving you total control with razor-sharp accuracy. Its durability matches its speed. A 3 mm anodized aluminum chassis, composite braces, hardened steel drivetrain, and 3 sealed differentials ensure it can take serious punishment. Big-bore 16 mm oil shocks absorb every jump and bump with ease. Weighing just 4 kilograms and measuring 515 by 390 by 182 millimeters, it's compact yet built like a tank. With a 200 meters transmitter range and adjustable power settings, you're always in command. This is more than a remote control truck, it's off-road freedom in your hands. The Punisher 4 proves one thing. When toughness meets speed, the result is unstoppable. Imagine a trailer so advanced, it can lift and rotate its own axles, without relying on a truck. Meet the NT Group Mk1E Master, the world's first fully electric translifter. This isn't your average trailer. The Mark 1M runs completely on electricity, cutting out fuel costs and saving up to $35,000 every year. That alone makes it a game changer for freight transport. But here's where it gets even smarter: its electro-hydraulic system operates independently. That means it doesn't need to be plugged into a semi-truck to function. Whether paired with a modern electric vehicle or an older diesel tractor, the Mark 1M adapts seamlessly. This flexibility means companies don't have to replace their entire fleet to go green. Instead, they can integrate the Mk1E Master directly into their current operations, making the transition to sustainable freight smooth and cost-effective. The future of transportation isn't coming, it's already here. And with the Mk1E Master, the road ahead looks cleaner, smarter, and far more efficient. Imagine climbing 3 meters up a tanker with no handrails. One slip could be fatal. Now picture a system that makes this climb completely safe at the press of a button. This is the Oilman's Safety Rail System, a game-changer for tanker drivers. With a simple push, pneumatic handrails rise automatically into place, creating a secure walkway in seconds. Once the truck moves, the rails fold back down smoothly, ensuring nothing gets caught on bridges or overpasses. The best part? It adapts to any tanker. Whether it's brand new or decades old, the system adjusts to fit different tank sizes and can be installed on one or both sides. Powered entirely by the truck's own pneumatic system, it requires no bulky add-ons. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, these rails are tough, stable in high winds, and strong enough to support any driver. Safety isn't just an option, it's a necessity, and this system makes it effortless. Hellfire. This isn't a truck, it's a fire-breathing monster on wheels. Meet Hellfire, a 1995 Freightliner reborn as one of the wildest machines on Earth. Under its frame sits a General Electric J79 jet engine straight from an F-4 Phantom fighter jet. The result? A mind-blowing 18,000 horsepower packed into a truck that no longer carries cargo, only chaos. Hellfire doesn't just move, it unleashes. Flames shoot 23 meters from its exhaust, lighting up the sky as it roars past at speeds topping 300 kilometers per hour. Blink, and it's already gone. Now touring across North America, this beast isn't hauling freight, it's hauling pure adrenaline. Fans watch in awe as it devours fuel and tears down the track, every run feeling like it drinks a barrel of jet fuel just to cross the finish line. Hellfire isn't just a showpiece. It's proof of how far human imagination can push the limits of engineering. A truck turned into a jet-fueled spectacle, built to shock, thrill, and leave crowds breathless. Imagine connecting a massive truck trailer in just 7 seconds, without touching a single cable. That's exactly what the Electron's AutoConnect makes possible. Instead of wrestling with heavy hoses and tangled wires, drivers can stay comfortably in the cab and press one button. Instantly, the system hooks up the brake lines, electrical circuits, CAN bus, and even Ethernet, automatically. No hassle, no wasted time. What makes it even smarter is the built-in computer. The moment the connection is complete, it runs a full check on brakes and electrics, instantly alerting the driver if something's wrong. That's speed and safety working hand in hand. In massive distribution yards, drivers often switch trailers dozens of times in a single shift. Normally, that eats up hours. With AutoConnect, those hours turn into minutes, saving energy, boosting productivity, and reducing risk. The best part? It works with every U.S. Class 8 tractor-trailer, autonomous rigs, and can even be fitted onto existing trucks with no major modifications. This isn't just a convenience upgrade, it's a step toward fully autonomous freight yards. The future of trucking is here, and it starts with one button. Imagine a fence that does more than just block a view, it creates your own private world. This isn't your typical fence cover. Made from thick polypropylene fabric, it not only shields your space from prying eyes but also softens outside noise, turning your yard into a peaceful retreat. Need a screen as tall as 3.5 meters? Done. Want something strong enough to discourage even the boldest neighbor from climbing? Consider it handled, but privacy isn't all it offers. You can actually print custom designs, images, or messages directly onto the fabric, making your fence both functional and expressive. Plus, you get to choose how much light filters through, with opacity levels ranging from 80% to a full blackout at 100%. Durability is built in. This screen withstands temperatures from -26 degrees Celsius to 49 degrees Celsius and lasts up to 5 years, no matter the weather. It's more than a fence screen. It's a blend of privacy, peace, and personality for your outdoor space. E-Jet Cycle, the future of riding on water. Imagine gliding across the water with the speed of a boat and the freedom of a bike. That's exactly what the E-Jet Cycle delivers. A cutting-edge hydrofoil water bike powered by both your legs and a whisper-quiet electric assist. At just 55 kilograms, its sleek carbon fiber frame and hydrofoil floats keep it lightweight yet incredibly stable. The tri-hull design ensures perfect balance, while the advanced hydrofoil system lifts you smoothly above the waves. You can launch at 10 km per hour, cruise comfortably at 15 km per hour, and push up to 20 km per hour for a thrilling ride. A 200W electric crankset gives adjustable pedal support, offering up to 3 hours of runtime, ideal for long, effortless sessions on open water. The design doesn't just look futuristic, it feels premium too, with a nautical leather bucket seat, anti-slip pads, and easy-to-control steering and altitude levers. Built in France, the E-Jet Cycle is fully emission-free, combining eco-friendly innovation with adrenaline-pumping adventure. This isn't just a water bike, it's a glimpse into the future of sustainable aquatic sports. The Prospector. What happens when a truck blasts past 200 km per hour? It stops being just a truck, it becomes a monster of engineering. Meet the Prospector, a one-of-a-kind machine built by Australian speed fanatic Rob Waters with a single goal: to shatter records on the salt flats of Lake Gardner. Under the hood, or rather, behind the cab, sits a beastly 13-liter Caterpillar engine pulled straight from a dump truck. Pushed to the limits with a Borg-Warner turbocharger, it churns out a mind-blowing 1,500 horsepower. Each time the chrome stacks roar, you can hear raw power echo across the flats. And here's the fun twist. Its fuel tank isn't some high-tech system, it's literally a polished beer keg. A touch of Aussie humor in a machine built for sheer speed. In just 5 months, Rob turned his vision into reality, and the Prospector stormed into history, hitting 228 km per hour and claiming Australia's diesel speed record. It's more than a truck, it's proof of what passion, grit, and a wild imagination can build.